Happymailqueen. I'm back to share some Halloween goodies that I received from my bestie Sophia. We were able to get together today for a brief time. So we met up at Frank Garcia's studio, and she gave me this bag full of goodies. So she booed me today. This cute little pink bag with, this is a Daiso tag that said boo, happy Halloween. So inside the bag she gave me lots of goodies, so let me go ahead and show you. So here's one of the bags she had altered, and I'm not sure what this cut is from. If she used, I don't think this is from her Cricut, so she must have a die, but this is a pretty big tag. So really cool. Anyway, she has it double layered, and then she has this Happy Halloween, and I'm not sure what die that's from, so you're gonna have to tell me, Sophia. I don't know, is this a Coco and Reno one? Anyway, really cute. And then she has a little, on a clip, she just clipped some trims here, and I can reuse that, so really cute. And then she put some gems on the bag, so really cute, Sophia. So first of all, in the bag, oh, I think this is the Coco and Reno one right here. Really cute with the little ghosties, and I love how she did this one. This is a box from Michael's. We both have this. This was, I think, maybe a couple of years ago. Anyway, she did some stitching, so cute. So I love that little detail. And then inside she has some candy, and there was a Snickers in here, and I already ate it. So one of the first things that I eat is my Snickers. So she had that inside. She also gave me this little cutie, and this is a nice big hat size right here. Really cute, and it looks like it's a little almost like a little card. Really cute. I love that. And she put a little spider with a bling on it. I love the size. It's a good size hat. And she clipped it on this bag here so I can reuse. And then inside the bag she has some more goodies for me, some handmade embellishments, it looks like. And I love this paper, this bag from Walmart. Love it. I did pick some of those up, although I didn't even get to use it. So look, you guys, she cut a bunch of these for me. How sweet, right? I love them. Oh my gosh, I love them. This is like nice and glossy. What is this paper? It's like some kind of specialty paper that she used. And here's another one. Girl, I love this paper. Okay, now you're gonna have to tell me where you got these, because these are all like glossy. This one has some glitter, and it's also glossy too and embossed. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Oh, this is so pretty. I love them. Look, she gave me a bunch, so now I can go ahead and decorate. Now the only thing she said she forgot, she wasn't able to do, is cut the little belt out for me because she couldn't find her die. So that's okay. Hopefully I have a belt die. I'm not sure, but should be easy enough to make. But look, oh my gosh, thank you, Sophia. That's so sweet. And I do not have this die, whatever die this is that you used. Do not have it. And anyway, so she gave me that, so that's really cute with a little example. So cute. She gave me some sweets. So this is the Carnival Pops. That looks good. And there was another lollipop in here too. There's another one, super cute. And then look at these picks, you guys. She said these were at Target. I never saw these. I kind of went late to Target, so I think when I went, a lot of stuff were gone. Never even saw these. Didn't even see anyone haul them, so really cute. So thank you for sharing some of that with, you know, a couple of those with me, because I didn't even know about them. And then she gave me these felt stickers, which I do have. I think I do have some of these. I might have shared with my friend. And I think these are from the 99-cent store, if I'm not mistaken. And then she gave me this little box, and I think she said that this was a little kit from Mimi. It's a milk carton box, and she filled it up again with some more goodies. I love these Hershey's with almonds. So yum. I'll be eating that. Okay, and that is the first bag. And then she gave me this other bag right here, which is really cute. So I've never seen this bag before. So I don't know where she got this. I didn't ask. But it's a really neat bag. Love that. So I'll be keeping that and putting that in my October weekly, which haven't worked on much. And I think she did a video on this, if I'm not mistaken, you guys, because I remember these eyelashes. Really cute toppers. So she gave me a couple of those. She used the witch hat wooden pieces from Dollar Tree. So cute. So I have lots of goodies to work with again. She also gave me this set of cards, which are really cute. So, yay. Oh, is this what you used for your... Let me see. Now I'm curious. Maybe this is what she used for... These are all... Okay, they're all the same. But this is so pretty. I love this. Don't know where she got this one, but it's a set of cards with envelopes. And doesn't really say, so I'm not sure where she got it. But that's so pretty, and that's perfect for Halloween. But I was thinking maybe she had used, you know, one of these to create some of these, because these are like glossy. It's like really pretty paper, cardstock. Okay, but anyway, you'll have to tell me, Sophia. Oh, and look at that little bow. I don't think I have that bow. So cute. And look, she used some washi to decorate the top. Great idea, girly. Oh, maybe we can find out where those cards are from, because they're washi, so they should peel off. I always like to know where they come from. I don't know. I'll have to ask her. Otherwise, I'd have to peel all this off. But anyway, thank you, Sophia. That's so pretty. And then she gave me one of these. And she put her little, that's so cute, handmade by Sophia Paper Sweets. That is her channel, you guys, in case you don't know my bestie. And I think she said that one of her friends, someone she had swapped with, I think created, I don't know if the person created the whole thing or just some of the elements. Maybe the broom. I think the broom. But look how cute this is. Now, I had seen Crafting with Liller do a tutorial on these little brooms, and it's so cute. This one's made out of crepe paper. So that is really cute. And I love this potion bottle. Or it's a perfume bottle, as you can see there, actually. So I haven't had a chance to play with it, but I think I have this die. Love the cute little witch hat. Love this wicked. Oh my goodness. I love this. Is this a die? But I must have that wicked word die. Another one to put in my stash. This is some kind of web that I know people have been using, and I don't have that one. Unfortunately, I didn't pick it up, but I love the way that looks. This is I know this I had gotten one from Prima, but I'm not sure where this one's from. But it's in black. Really pretty. Love that. That is so cute. So thank you for that. And then lastly, she had told me she had gotten this for me from Target. And I'm so happy. Look, she got me the little ghostie candy. I don't know if it's really a candy dispenser. Yeah, I think it's a ceramic candy dish. So look at that. I can put my candy in there. Look. Oh my gosh. Yes. That is going to stay here for a while. Even after Halloween. Until I finish all my candy. And it's just all for me. Isn't that cute? I did see the witch one at one of the Targets, but I never saw this one, and this is the one I wanted. The little ghostie. So thank you so much, Sophia, for all my lovely, lovely gifts. I love them. Thank you for thinking of me and for getting together with me. I'll come back. I have a tiny haul because we did go to Frank Garcia, but I only picked up a couple of things and then a couple of things from Michael's because they had some great deals because it was nearby. And if you guys don't know, Hot Buys are back again. They are $5.99 this week, I guess, or it just started today. I know because when I bought mine, I had to use the 20% coupon. So, anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll be back with another video. Bye!